back, guys. So today is the Embed-C challenge day 6. So here we will be discussing about the LED blink code, which is written using Embed-C, and for that purpose we will be using STM32 F10386 board, also known as the Blue Pill board, and we will be using CubeID for flashing the code into the microcontroller. And here the program will be compared to this Embed-C program will be compared to the Arduino programming, which will help you to understand this much more effectively. And yeah, let's start. So here we have two terms. One is GPIO, GPIO-C. So basically GPIO means general purpose input output pin, that is those useful pins which are there in the microcontroller for taking the data or giving the data to the microcontroller or from the microcontroller. So these are the normal pins which we use for that purpose. And then GPIO C means the we have three ports in the microcontroller, that is A, B, and C. So we have port A as PA, port B as port PB, and port C as PC. So we will be using GPIO-C, that is port C, that is connected to the inbuilt LED. And in the port C we have 13, 14, 3 pins, 13, 14, 15, 3 pins for availability for using. And yeah, so here the inbuilt LED is connected to the 13th pin, that's why we are using it. Then let's break down the programming for LED blink. Here HL stands for hardware abstraction layer, and the detailed meaning of HL will be given in the description only. So yeah, let's move on. So here GPIO underscore write pin. So here write pin is similar to digital write, where the write pin is used to make the voltage of the particular pin high or low. So then for making that pin turn on turn off the voltage, we have to write some certain words here, which include GPIO-C. Like we are defining the port here. If you are defining, like if you are using GPIO port B, we will be using GPIO B, or if you are using GPIO A, it is when you are using port A. So here we are using port C, that's why we written GPIO C. Then we will be defining the pin number. Here we are using 13th pin, that's why we write GPIO underscore pin underscore 13. So here we are telling the microcontroller that we are using 13th pin of the microcontroller for the task. Then we have to write the state of the particular pin, like either it is in the high state or in the low state. So here in the Arduino we used to write high. Here we will be using zeros and 1, where 1 means turning on the voltage and 0 means turning off the voltage. And as usual, a delay is there for making the program little like to give a program a certain pause. And then making the LED low or the voltage low, we will be using the same code while writing 0 instead of 1 to turn off the voltage in the particular pin. Then we will be again declaring a delay function of 1000, that is 1000 millisecond or 1 second. And yeah, then for flashing it we will be using this particular Arduino ID, sorry, STM32 ID. And yeah, here there are options to upload the program. So run test debug, then it will be starting uploading the code to the microcontroller, and we can see that it is flashing. And yeah, once it is flashed, we will be pressing the reset button to so that the code gets inside the microcontroller. Yeah, so this is the particular LED blink code explanation. If any doubts or clarity, kindly know us in the DM or in the comment section.